Messenger still opening Microsoft Edge, even though Firefox is your default. Here's the real fix that actually works. Step 1. Remove Messenger from your PC. Go to the Start menu, type in Messenger, make sure it's highlighted, click Uninstall. Uninstall. This removes the Microsoft WebView Messenger app, the one that Edge forces you to open. Give it a second to finish. If you click anywhere else, come back to the menu, type in Messenger, there you go, it's gone. Step 2, make sure Firefox is your full default. This is where most people go wrong. So, open up Firefox. Once you've got Firefox open, go to the 3 bars on the right hand side, go down to Settings. You should see this box says Make Default. Click on that one. You should see this pop up, Set as Default. Most people at this point will click out of it. You've got to go down and set all the options to Firefox. So, PDF, Firefox, set as default. Work your way down all these options. Just leave the bottom one in Outlook. And that's it. Close this settings box. If you're liking this quick fix and it actually works for you, drop a comment, hit the like button and subscribe. It's free and it really helps us grow. Next thing you need to do is close down Firefox temporarily. So open up Firefox, go to this web address, messenger.com, press enter. Next thing to do is grab the top of your browser and pull it down to one side so you can see your desktop behind. Grab this little icon here and drag this to your desktop. You can get rid of the old one. You can also drag it to the bookmarks toolbar. That's this bar here just under the address bar. If you can't see this, just right click, bookmarks toolbar, always show. Then you can grab your shortcut and drag it up here. And there you go. So now you've got it permanently pinned to your browser, easy to access. So that's it. You can do this on most websites as well, not just Messenger. Check out the next video on screen now. It's a perfect follow-up and take your PC even further, and I'll see you over there.